Hello, welcome to my channel. So today let's look at today's daily challenge problem, unique email address. The question is, every valid email consists of local name and domain name separated by the @ sign. Besides lowercase letters, the email only contains one or more dot or plus. And so in the email address, the part before the @ is local name. The part after @ is called domain name. So if you add a period between some characters in the local name part of the email address, mail sent there will be forwarded to the same address without dots in the local name. Note that this rule does not apply to domain names. So actually, which means we can remove the dot. Then the next one is if you add a plus sign in the local name, everything after the first plus sign will be ignored. So which means that we can actually remove the part in the local name after the plus sign. So my plus name become my for in the local name. Also, this dot is removed. It is possible to use both of these rules at the same time. Given any array of strings emails where we send one email to each email I, return the number of different addresses that actually receives mails. So the example test email Alex, then it become test email, and also this. Okay, because this domain name is not the same as Leetcode.com. So in the end, there will be two addresses. This one, the second example, because the local name is different, so we have three addresses. So this question, we can actually we can go through each string and put and iterate through strings of emails. Then process or can go clean the email to the simplest form and put in a hash in a set. Then just return the set the size of set. So the question is so the time complexity is will be we just go through all the characters once. So it will be n is on and n is the number of total number of characters. And this is time, and space is space of the worst case time complexity is still on because we put those strings in the, or we can call it OM. So the M, because of the set, because we use set for extra space, and M is N is the number of cleaned emails. So okay, let's start working on the question. And so we can firstly we need to define a hash set. Then for the string email, we iterate through emails. Then in each email, we can actually use like a char array to break it break down the email to the child array, and then we can we can have a string builder SB. So the first part in the email will be the local one, right? Until we met the @ sign. So we can have a local equal to true. So then if we met the @ sign, then the local will become false. The local will become false, and then if it's not local, then we need to append all the characters in the domain part. So and also if else means it's local. If SI is dot, if SI is not dot, and also we want to have another variable Boolean flag called plus equal to false. So, but if we met this plus, so can the plus appear in the domain? Yeah, plus can also appear in the domain name. So so if not local, then if it's plus, then plus equal to true. And so then if it's plus, we don't need to append. But if it's not plus, we need to append this this symbol. So right, then in the end we can just put this string builder's string to the hash set, and then we return the size of okay. So let's have a double check this code. So so if it's @ the local equal to false, then if not local, then we always append. So otherwise, if it's a sign, then if it's a plus, then we change it plus to true, and then if it's not plus and not dot, then we append. So when the plus is false, well, we will okay, yeah, it looks correct. So then we can check. Oh, okay, so this one, the first example is correct. Second example test cases. So okay, so it looks both getting the right results. Okay, yeah, so it got accepted. So this concludes today's challenge. And if you like the video, please subscribe or click like button. Let me know if you have any questions. You can comment on the video. And So thank you for watching. Then see you tomorrow.